Hello friends, my name is Rana Jaipal. Welcome to my page Buzztronics. Today we will learn about how to make a bootable pen drive to install any kind of Windows we want. Technically there are two methods of installing Windows operating system. First is that we can use a CD by DVD to install Windows, and second is that we can use USB pen drive as a bootable device to install Windows. First method is the oldest version, but today people use bootable pen drive to install Windows. In this video, I will show you three different techniques to make pen drive bootable. For that, we use softwares to make pen drive bootable. Before you proceed, you will need 2 to 4 GB size of pen drive, an ISO image of operating system Windows we wish to install, and a USB bootable maker software. If you don't have these, don't worry, we will go step by step and download all these files. So let's begin with opening Chrome or Mozilla to download Windows 7 ISO file. Here friends, just type get into pc.com and enter. You can find its direct link below this video. This is the site from where we are going to download Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 ISO image. Just click on operating system, and from here you can see a variety of ISO images are there. Just click on Windows 7 Service Pack 1 Ultimate. Here you will find the release info of Windows 7. Its additions are included in 32-bit and 64-bit. Features are also given here. After clicking on this, the download setup will be started. Just wait till it will be granted from Linux server. Wait for some moment. Here friends, just click on start and you can see your download is started up. As I have already downloaded this image, I will just pause it and cancel it. This is the ISO image of Windows 7 that we have downloaded friends. Size 3.47 GB. Next step is to download our USB bootable maker. Open Mozilla or Chrome again and download the software. Type Rufus, enter. Download Rufus from its official website. Click on it, and here you can find different versions of Rufus. Download any of it. I will download Rufus 3.10, that is 1.1 MB. Click on it, save file. You can see here the download has been started. After download is completed, open it to create a bootable device. Now insert your pen drive into your PC, and you can see pen drive is detected in the device. From here, select the ISO image that you have downloaded. And this is the ISO image of Windows 7 that I have downloaded, and open it. You can see the ISO image. partition scheme as it is target system. Don't need to change anything here. Just click on start. Okay. And you will see that this software is creating USB as a bootable device. It will take some time, friends. I am going to forward this. In this video, I am going to cover only how to make a bootable pen drive using different softwares and techniques. In my next video, I will show you how to install Windows in 32 and 64-bit. Notice, friends, this Rufus software has completed its process to make the USB as a bootable device. Close it. And you can see here that this USB has been created as a bootable device. Now you can use this USB to install Windows. Proceeding further, we will open Chrome or Mozilla again and download our next software, Universal USB Installer. Type Universal USB Installer. You can download it from the link given below this video. From here you can download it, save the file. Universal USB installer is being downloaded. It will take some moment. After download is completed, open the Universal USB installer to create a bootable device. Plug in your pen drive in your PC. Agree. This is the Universal USB installer software. You can see in step 1, select a distribution from the drop down to put on your USB. I recommend to use this software because it provides a variety of options from which you can choose what you are going to install in your PC and create a bootable device from. For example, I want to create a Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 8 bootable pen drive. For that, you can select Windows 7 installer from here, from the drop down box. Select it. Now select the ISO image that you have downloaded earlier. Browse, click on browse. This is the ISO image of Windows 7 that we have downloaded earlier. Select it and open it. Select the drive letter for your USB. Select your USB from here. My USB name is Disk1 CD-ROM 29GB NTFS. Click on it. Click on format it. Wipe entire disk. Don't click on it. Just click on create. It's showing the warning that backup and data you want to keep before proceeding. All data on drive letter or your USB will be deleted. Click on yes and you will notice that Universal USB installer is proceeding further. It will take some time. I am going to forward this video for you. This was the second method of creating USB as a bootable device. And finally, the USB has been created as a bootable device. Just close it. You can see this is my USB pen drive and this is the Windows 7 setup. Final technique to make a USB as a bootable device is that we don't need any software. We just need commands. Let's see how to create a USB as a bootable device without any software. Just click on start and write cmd. Open command prompt. Type disk part. Enter. Yes. Type list disk. Enter. Now make sure about selecting the disk. Disk 1 is my USB disk. I will select disk space 1. Now disk 1 is now the selected disk. Type clean. Type convert MBR and enter. Type create partition primary. Enter. Active. Type active. Type format fs is equal to NTFS space quick and enter. As you will notice that USB drive is being formatted in NTFS format. Just wait, it will take some time. This part successfully formatted the volume. Finally type assign and type exit. Now select the ISO image that you have downloaded earlier. This is the ISO image that I have downloaded earlier. Right on it and extract files. Extract files to the USB pen drive directly and click on OK. The files will be extracted directly to your USB pen drive. Using this process, we have created USB as a bootable device. Friends, using this method, you don't need any software. Windows 7 image file is being extracted to our USB pen drive. Friends, the extraction has been completed. Now you can check your USB pen drive. Here is our USB pen drive. These are the extracted files of Windows 7 that we have extracted directly. Now you can use your USB pen drive to install Windows 7 directly. What you have to do is to restart the PC and boot from USB pen drive. So far in this video, you have learned 3 methods of converting USB as a bootable device. First, Rufus method, second, universal USB installer, and third is without using any software. At last, I think that most of you have learnt a lot from this video. Now it's time to say goodbye and see you in my next video. Till then, take care friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.